Did you know there are about 6 million motor vehicle collisions every year in the U.S.? Of these, about 1/3 or 2 million cause personal injury. Safety efforts have brought us to a 60-year low on fatal crashes, but still about 20% or 400,000 motor vehicle collisions each year in the U.S. cause loss of life. No one expects to get in a car accident, but it's best to be prepared. So if you find this video valuable, save it to your favorites so you can easily pull it up in the event you suffer injuries in a motor vehicle collision. The 7 things you must do after a car accident are not all obvious. Number 1, you must stop. It is the right thing to do, and it is the law. Number 2, think safety. If the accident is very minor, move the vehicles to a safe place out of traffic. Turn off your vehicle, turn on your hazard lights. Place cones or flares between the involved vehicles and traffic, and position yourself away from the risk of being hit by another vehicle. You should carry a flashlight with fresh batteries in your vehicle for nighttime emergencies. Number 3, call 911. Even if there are no apparent serious injuries, it's a good idea to call the police. You may need a police report to file a claim with your insurance company, even if it's just to make a claim for damage to your vehicle. Remember, a police report makes clear what a convenient memory would otherwise make foggy. Use the 911 call to request paramedics if necessary. Number 4, gather the following info from others involved. Just take photos to make it easier. Drivers and passengers' names and contact information. Vehicle description, make, model, and year. Driver's license numbers. License plate numbers. Insurance companies and policy numbers. Eyewitnesses, names and contact information. This is critical, and by law, your spouse does not count as an eyewitness. Collision scene location and/or address. Police officer's name and badge number. Take photos of all vehicles involved in the accident scene if it's safe to do so. Number 5, report details to the police. If you do not know certain facts, tell that to the officer. Do not speculate, guess, or misstate any of the facts. If you are asked if you are injured and you are not sure, say, "I am not sure," rather than "no." Often the pain from injuries comes later after the adrenaline rush. Number 6, notify your insurance company promptly. Before an accident, verify you have both uninsured motorist, also covers for underinsured motorist, and MedPay, also known as medical no-fault coverage. And number 7, seek medical attention ASAP. There are definitely 3 things after a motor vehicle collision you absolutely do not want to do. Number 1, do not leave the scene of a collision in which you were involved. Someone could be hurt and you could be arrested for leaving. Number 2, do not sign any document unless it's for the police or your insurance agent. And finally, number 3, be polite, but do not tell anyone the collision was your fault, even if you think it was. This is what the California Highway Patrol recommends. You don't have all the information needed for that judgment, so let the police and insurance decide. A side note, many drivers will want to avoid the police and avoid using insurance. As nice a person as you are, this is a mistake. You don't know if this person's insurance is active, paid to date, and you don't know if there is a warrant for this person's arrest. The nicest people at the scene of a collision can develop the worst memory for what actually happened, and they can become the most difficult people to contact. Remember, when your alignment is less than perfect and or you have suffered recent injury, joints get stuck, soft tissues have memory for what doesn't work, and we can help. Contact us at New Back Chiropractic today. We can help you move better to feel better for life.